Are you looking for a bed that is really good quality and easy enough to build, where you only need this tool? Let me tell you about this bed, where even a 15-year-old can build it. Hi. We received the Bexevue Twin Bed Frame, coming with power outlets and LED lighting, and with a price point under $150, this was a must-have. The bed was delivered super fast, and the box came in great condition. Everything inside was packaged nicely and well protected. And right off the bat, we could see all the materials and parts are well labeled. As we build, we'll put up images from the instructions, so if you are building this bed, you can follow along as well. Step 1 is screwing piece 3 onto piece 1 using the C-screws. Step 2 is now attaching piece 5 to piece 1 using the C and D screws. The metal frame is really lightweight, but once you start screwing things into place, you can already tell how firm and well put together the final outcome is going to be. Step 3 is attaching the power outlet to its board. Step 4 is now attaching the power outlet and board to the frame. This really makes the frame more solid as everything gets tightened up. Step 5 is attaching the back panel, piece number 12, to the frame using the G screws. The instructions are super easy to read, and the frame is coming together nicely with the well-labeled materials. Step 6 is a fun one. It's sticking the LED light strips to its board, piece number 11. Step 7 is now taking that board with the lights and attaching it to the frame. I just love the color and design of this wood paneling. It's the perfect mix of modern vintage that just fits my aesthetic to a T. Step 8 is adding board number 14 to the frame to finish off the headboard section. Again, that wood design just looks awesome. Once this piece is all screwed into place, you can just see how well built and sturdy this headboard is designed. Step 9 is now working on the bed frame by adding pieces 8, 9, and 4 together. Step 10 is adding pieces 7 and 6 to the sides you just built. Step 11 is attaching the bed frame section to the headboard using parts A, F, and I. Once everything gets tightened, you can really tell how sturdy and well built this lightweight frame really is. And for the last step, you're just going to place the metal poles into their slots to complete the frame. And just like that, this bed frame is built. A key feature to mention is all the available storage space underneath the bed. With just over a foot of clearance for storage boxes, slippers, etc. The LED lights come with various modes and colors to suit anyone's ambiance aesthetic. Coming with a remote control and a power charging station with USB and USB-C charging options is a bonus as well. This bed is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a well-built and designed bed frame for an extremely reasonable price point. I think it's safe to say that Miss Ophelia would have to agree. We really enjoy this bed frame and think you will too. Check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like or leave a comment. I always like to hear from you. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.